So, hello everyone. Welcome back again for Speaking English for every single day. So, today I'm about to take you tour around the downtown, and I also take you to uh describe out loud for the downtown, and also while I take a jogging, I will describe anything out loud. I walk side of street because this is very safe. I also have to be carefully from the car and motorbike are passing by of my back. Yeah, I have to be careful. Yeah, and look at us. Look at those busway or minute runs are waiting for the turns to walking because they also have a rule to walk on the street. Yeah, they also have a turns. I'm going to walk on the stairs, but the stairs a bit long. I also walking up of the stairs right here. You see this walk? Ah, it's a bit exhausted, but I'm happy with exercise. So this the view actually from which yeah I can witness the cars and motorbike keep passing by on the road. Yeah, but today the traffic light is a bit calm and relaxed because today is holiday or weekend. So I'm going to take you to the ticket machine of Halte Busway. Yeah. Before you to the Halte Busway, you have to bring the card actually as a ticket. So look at that. So that actually a ticket machine when you were going to insert or get into the Halte Busway. Yeah, I also you witness behind me is they actually pep. So while you struggle,
Kita tangan nomor
you
tiga.
wanna find
Kami
out
dot tiga tujuan kali terus.
your
Kalau
purpose.
buaya tamat.
Actually, this map clear, and we also can witness and find out where we are going to do. We are going to go. You see right here, Setiabudi. It's like the center of Jakarta as well. You can look a lot of gate. So the gate actually interpreter where your purpose. Yeah, where your purpose. When you wanna going to center of Jakarta, you have to take gate one, gate three, and others. And also in Halte where you also see the yellow way is like to help blind people. Ah, you see that? So that's the view from the bridge. And also you can witness the cars and motorbike passing by from over there. That one, they actually the busway that I want to go and that I want to get in. So let's get into the busway. In Healthy Busway, you also see a lift and also a stairs. But I prefer to take stairs because and now I'm getting to the busway. This is the view, and this is the situation while I get into the busway. The driver ride minute runs and the cars, motorbikes. You can witness everything from inside, and that's why I wanna try to. I'm going to upgrade the my camera pixels. I wanna try for the camera. Yeah, I actually already purchased from e-commerce, and I'm going to uh, do cost for it. It's actually traffic light because a lot of people are going back to their house, and we've been stuck here or slowing down for 10 minutes, and it's a bit boring actually. And guys, I have a bit nervous as well today because already prepared my topic script before I go to this place. But after in this place, immediately I don't know why, but it lost of my mind. And so that's why I try to dive deeper into mine and try to talk more and to be talkative and being talkative today. So that's why oh my goodness, I don't know why. Look, there is even today, but I don't know the even kind of what that maybe, and probably is from this building. The even I mean the rope here. Look at that. So the rope is actually to prevent strike to that rope because there is a borders between a walker and for motorbike and cars. Actually, this is the rule, and there are a lot of cars are parking right here. Is because there is graduating. There's a graduating event today, and the University of Bina Nusantara University. And so that's why you see a lot of cars. So those cars actually belong to them, to uh, to them who uh, get graduating today. Maybe those car actually their family car, their neighbor car, and also